Hello everyone, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name is Elizabeth and the videos I normally film are book related and lifestyle videos. Today, as you read in the title down below, I'm going to reorganize my mini art section. So as you can see, it's kind of messy and I have it in this tiny little spot right here, and I wanted to make it a little bit more organized and more pretty, you know? I've been drawing a lot more, so I want to organize this, make it prettier, and I haven't done like any DIYs recently, so I want to put these in storage and I'm going to show you guys the whole process. All right, let's begin. Okay, so I have a few little bags I've been wanting to use, and hopefully now is the time to use them, because I don't actually know if I'm gonna have anything to put stuff in here, but these are some of the bags I want to use. Yeah. About 5 years ago, I went to this place in LA and they sold these delicious drinks that had like cotton candy around, and they had them in these cute jars, and I've had this jar for a long time and I was this close to throwing it away because like I didn't know what to do with it. But finally a couple days ago I was like, I could put my brushes in here. So it had their logo on it, but I removed that with hot water, a little bit of salt and vinegar, and I left it there for like 15 minutes and removed it with like this hard wired looking, sponge. It's not a sponge, it's like what you use to clean a stove or an oven, those wired silver looking sponges. But yeah, and it worked amazing. Like, where's the logo? It's not here. Like, I'm so happy. So yeah, I'm gonna place that somewhere there, I don't know, but I'm gonna grab this first. What happened? Oh my god, it's heavy. Hold up. Okay, I don't know if this is a cute angle. Hopefully you can see it. I don't know what other angles it could be placed, but yeah, at the moment it's gonna be here and then I'm gonna move it around. Okay, so what I have in this box is my little yummy crochet stuff. I did it one time. I was trying to make a donut last time, but it ended up as a circle. I have no idea what, I still have it, hold up. So I was trying to make this as a donut. As you can see, it's not a donut. It's a ghost. It's a little ghost. I ran out of the white one, and so I had to finish it up with the pink one. But like, regardless, even though it doesn't look like a donut, it looks really, really cute. So here's my donut. That's first thing. This, oh my goodness. Okay, oh my gosh, okay. So I have all these pliers in, well, I normally have them in this bag, but it fell. But yeah, no, I have them in this little bag that I made. My sister is really good at sewing, so she taught me how to do this. And I have some ribbons in here, but I'm gonna keep this in here because I normally use the pliers, so I'm gonna keep this I don't know. Okay, this is a shrink plastic craft. I got this at the dollar store, it's called Daiso, and if you don't know what Daiso is basically they sell, everything used to cost $1.50, but now it's like a little bit more, but this still cost $1.50, so it was a bargain. But I haven't done any design, so I'm gonna put that in my other arts and craft. I'll show you guys that later. Okay, and this, what is in here? Oh, okay, my sewing kit. It's all my sewing kit. I thought it was like mixed with some other stuff, but no, that's not me. I usually like to organize everything. And then I have this. I have 2 balls. I usually use them to massage my foot. Every time my arch starts to hurt, I massage it with this one or this one. And I feel like it's convenient for me to place it in here, so I'm not gonna remove it. So I have Mod Podge, and Mod Podge. I haven't used it in a while, and I don't think I am. Okay, this is iron filling magnet, and I bought this in Amazon a couple years ago for a project, and I just used a little bit, and it was really pricey, so I'm not gonna throw this away. And I have this crafting, I'm too tall, and I have this crafting resin. This one I've used, but this one I haven't. UV liquid. I'm gonna put this away because I haven't used it in a while. And all these ribbons. Holy cow. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. I have a lot of ribbons in here, and I haven't used it in a while, but I know this is really nice and really expensive, like that I bought throughout the years. I'm not gonna use it at the moment, but I will use it later on. So I'm gonna place that in the drawer as well. So this is all the stuff I had in the basket. Most of these I'm gonna put it in the drawer. I'm just gonna separate them right now, I guess. These balls go in here. Okay, the ribbons, I have some ribbons in here and I'm just gonna place it in here. Yeah. And then this, I use it sometimes because sometimes a button might get loose, so this is very useful for me. As you can see, it used to be chocolate, but I used it as a sewing kit. And then this, I'm gonna keep it because it's useful. And this magnet, I usually just like putting it on top of here. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh, okay, never mind. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. But yeah, it's empty. I made this like a while ago, and it's because I had a lot of magazines that were in Japanese, and I can't read Japanese, but it was really pretty, and I needed a basket, so this is how it turned out. This is how it looks right now. I'm just gonna remove all the stuff from here, and okay, no, hold up. I'm starting to stress myself out. I'm gonna clean this up first. So this is my arts and craft drawer. Yeah, I have a lot of stuff in here, and then like in each drawer, I have like scrap paper, notebooks, stuff like that, you know? But specifically this drawer, I think I'm saying it was so weird. Sorry if I'm saying it weird, but in this drawer specifically, I have my arts and crafts. And I have, in these bags, I have paint, but I don't want to place it over there because it's going to look too much. So I'm going to remove this. I don't know where to put it. I guess I'll put it right here for right now. I'm gonna put that there. And all the, ignore this baby toy, it was my nephew's. He just forgot it, so we just placed it in here. But yeah, all these, I'm gonna still leave it here. And these brushes, I'm going to actually take. Yeah. Not this one I don't like. I cleaned this up a couple months ago, but it's very, very messy again. But I'm just gonna forget about it because it's too much stuff. So in this bag, I have, like I mentioned before, the ribbons. Yeah, mostly ribbons. Oh, and these Mod Podge. But just to keep it a little bit more organized, I'm just gonna leave it in this bag, as well as the craft resin. Oh, and if you were curious, I got this little bag from, it came in like a blanket set, and the blankets came in this. So yeah, I thought I shouldn't throw it away because it was very like useful, you know? And it was. So I'm gonna leave it right here. These I'm still leaving it here. So I have two bags. So I have two bags of paint because one of them is used and the other one is new. I think that's. These are, okay, these are the new ones and these are the used ones. I like separating them like that because I don't like using one that's like new and I already have one that's already like halfway done. I've had that before and I was like frustrated. So yeah, it's a tad bit organized, but like as long as I know where everything is placed, that's all that matters. Okay, so is it gonna close? Yay! Okay, I'm happy. Now, I feel like I have less stuff and I'm so happy. All right, so I'm gonna put this here. I'm gonna put these here. I have this to help me figure out which plier is which. So I'm just gonna leave it here. So for this, I feel like it looked too much. So I'm just gonna put it in this little bag. I know the little book isn't gonna fit, but no, I think it is actually. Look at this book, it's so cute. It has a lot of cute designs on them. And I got this like a while ago in Barnes & Noble's. I'm pretty sure they still sell this today. So yeah, and this, I think it's gonna fit in here. I've been wanting to use these bags for a while and because they're really pretty. And I didn't know what to put in here. So finally I have an idea and I'm happy. Okay, I think the book fits in here and I'm so happy. Let's see, the moment of truth. Oh, please fit. Nice, it does. Yay. Oh, that's good. I'm happy. Oh, and if you were wondering, these bags, I got them from Clinique. It came with a gift when I bought like a product. Okay, so let's see if this fits. This fits. Oh, yay. Okay. Oh, but does it close? Okay, I think it's gonna look a little awkward, but whatever. No, it looks fine. It looks fine, but oh my god, this bag is so cute. Here is a close-up view of it. Okay, so next thing, I'm just gonna remove all of the stuff and then put them and align them and see what I'm gonna do with them. So yeah. So this is all the stuff I had in that spot, except for this. This is new. But like I mentioned before, I'm gonna use this. Is it too bright? I'm going to use this for my brushes. So at the moment, these brushes are wet because I used them yesterday and I want to wet them again so I could clean up even better. I just really wanted to get it cleaned. And these brushes, they're in the arts and craft drawer, and I do use these, but I usually put them over there. But now I'm gonna set them together with these. And what else? Okay, and this one as well. But these, I use them for watercolor. They're not that great for watercolor. I use a different brush. I don't know, I don't want to throw these away, but I think I'm just gonna start using these for acrylic. No, not really, because as you can see in this little spot right here, every time I wet it, the paint starts to chip off, and it's kind of uncomfortable for me. So like I have these that work so much better. But it also didn't work. I mean, it worked okay with watercolor, but I don't know. I'll figure it out. I know this is random. It's a lint roller, and I literally have nowhere else. I don't know where to put it, so I'm just gonna leave it in that spot. And this is my tiny water bowl. I had a lid, but it broke. But yeah, when I find a better one, like not glass, I'm gonna replace it. But until then, this is my water bowl, and all of my arts, pencils, paint. Okay, so I'm just gonna start with what I know for sure is gonna be placed there, and it is I know it looks too much, but like all my stuff is organized here, and I know where everything's at. So yeah. So this is what I wanted to use all along. That's the whole reason I wanted to rearrange the stuff, because I wanted to put. And if it's tiny, it's okay, because there's one that's like right here. I'll just go like this and it'll come out. But like, doesn't it look kind of nice? I'm so happy. Ooh, I'm so happy. It looks nice. So I'm just gonna put the stuff right there, and then I'm gonna rearrange them. So as I mentioned before, this is a little water bowl. I put the stickers under it just in case it might be wet or something. Okay, I haven't used my crayons in a while, so I'm gonna put them all over the back. This, I'm afraid it might break, so right here. It looks a lot, huh? I mean, I could put this in here. It doesn't matter. Okay, like I mentioned, I'm gonna place everything and then rearrange it. I use these stickers a lot in my agenda and my calendar, so I'm gonna leave it right here. Okay, and this, I'm gonna place it right here. Okay, side note, it was kind of messy before, and it looks better. This here. Leave this here. Should I remove it? Yeah, I'm just gonna open this up because it looks too much for me. I know it's too small, but it's okay. Okay, I don't think it changed anything. So I removed my glasses because I feel like there's a reflection. And then this, honestly, I could put this on my desk. I'll do that. No, I feel like it's better here because my calendar is here. And should I just put it like here? Yeah, I think that's it. I think that's how I'm gonna leave it. I know it still looks a lot, but it looks prettier for me. So here is a like more close-up view of it. Wow, it's so beautiful. I love it. Looks nice. And then all my stuff in the back. This looks a lot cleaner. I'm happy. And I'm finally using this little this little bag. I think that's it. And if you're curious, I got these clear bags from Forever 21. And this from Daiso. Daiso's like amazing. It's like the 99-cent store. But it has different amazing stuff. But it costs $2, so, but it does its job. Oh my god, it's red. Oh my god. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like these types of videos, please hit that like button, subscribe for more type videos like these, and hit that bell notification to know when I upload. I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay safe, you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone.